Hi you guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. In this video I want to go ahead and discuss lock maintenance care, how to retain moisture and how to get your locks to always be popping. I have been locked for about 7 years now. So the first product that I have is oil. I'm actually working on my own personal hair oil line. I don't want to give too much about it because it's still in the production stage. It's still in the development stage. So hopefully I will have this done, signed, sealed, and delivered by February of 2020. That is my date that I want to launch the website and have my product active online for you guys to buy. But the one product that I use that I found very useful through my lock journey was, you already know, black castor oil. This is the holy grail. I apply this to my roots all the way down to the tips of my hair. Some people just apply oil when they're getting their hair done, but they don't have no other routine when they're in between, you know, washes or in between getting their hair done. They just kind of like let the stylist do what they do. But let me tell you something, you can save a lot of money if you, one, watch a YouTube video, and two, learn how to do your own locks. Like, I've been doing my own locks for the past couple of 6 years. I go every blue moon to let my friend do my lock. He's the only one that I trust doing my locks. He actually started my lock journey for me, but no one else touches my hair. I'm very particular, very old school about that. Like, nobody needs to touch my hair. I got this. But black castor oil, you take this, you take a little bit in your hand and you rub it in your roots and you come all the way down to your hair. You don't just apply it to your problem areas, you apply it throughout your whole head. Okay, you guys hear me? Your whole head. Second thing that you want to do is you want to get you some of this wild growth oil. You can buy this from your local beauty supply store. This will run you about $9, about $8.99. Sometimes you can catch it on sale for $7, but about $9. This is what I apply to my hair. In addition to this, in addition to my own personal oil blend, but I do these 3 combinations every other day. Yes, every other day. I know it probably seems like a lot, but trust me, it's not a lot. And I'm kind of used to it. And I take it, I apply it through my hair, I rub it in like this. I like to get the oil in the locks. And yes, some people are going to say, your hair is dead, it's not real, why are you doing that? I might want to unravel my locks one day. So if I do, I want this hair to be a little shiny and not a little damaged. So that's why I apply the oils from my crown all the way down to my tips. The second thing that I do, which is most important and which is slept on, a lot of people don't miss this step in their videos. They miss this. Water. Like, apply water to your locks. When I wake up in the morning, I like to just hit it, boop, and I like to freshen them up. You know, because I've been sleeping at night, they get stiffed. I could have had them in a bun. I could have had them in a ponytail. I could have had it pulled down. So I like to refresh my locks every morning with some water. Old Carol's Daughter hair bottle. You see, I got it on sale too. And I just like this type of nozzle because the way it sprays. I don't want it to be like shooting at my scalp. I like it just to have like a nice little mist. So there is no rose water. There is nothing in here but good old tap water. And that's it. I do drink alkaline water, but tap water, it ain't gonna kill you. Then this is another one products that I use in between my twisting months, like weeks between each twist, is this No More Itching spray. I got this from your local beauty supply store too. It smells wonderful. It smells like mango. It smells like lime. It smells like fruity. It smells like an island. You know, if you've ever been to Bahamas or Jamaica, it smells like when you step off the boat or the plane, it smells just like this. So I like to spray it in between my hair, whatever is itching me. If I take a trip to maybe a hookah lounge, or I take a trip to someone's house, and you know, you can't control what someone else is doing in their house. So I like to just, you know, if they smoke, I go in the other room. If they're doing something that I know that the smell is going to, you know, it's going to stay in my hair and I have someone else to be, then I won't kind of like go in that room, because if you know anything about locks, smells stay in our hair. And I don't like my hair smelling like, you know, weed. I don't like my hair smelling like tobacco. I don't do all that. I don't like to put too much essential oils in my hair. I like to be as natural as possible. And saying that, and I colored my hair. I know it's a contradiction, but don't judge me, okay? So I use the mango lime, and if I'm out somewhere the next morning, I kind of spray it in my hair, and my hair won't smell like cigarettes or smoke no more. And this has combated the smell so much. So get you some of this. This will run you probably about $4.99. It has a lot in it, and it has the same type of nozzle that this spray bottle has. So like I said, I like. Okay, so this is my holy grail. This is nothing but mold and hole. Go ahead, screenshot that. Okay, and I get this from my local beauty supply store. I love it. You can find this at Target. I found it in Atlanta at Target. When I went to Miami, they had it in Target, but here in Jacksonville, Florida, I don't see it at Target. Some Walmart carry it, but your local beauty supply store will carry it. This is the holy grail. This works on all types of hair, 4C, 2C, D, E, F, G. It don't matter what type of hair you have. When you are twisting your hair, it's very white. There's no smell. It has no parabens. It has no phosphate in it. It's just overall a great product to twist your hair with. Y'all need to sponsor me. Send me some. But I've been using this for over 7 years on my locks, and I see no issue. Like, my hair don't flake up. Like, let me show y'all. My hair does not flake up at all. Y'all see that gray, but my hair doesn't flake up, and this is my favorite product to twist my hair with. So this is a list of all the products I use on my hair when I'm retwisting, when I'm washing. Well, not really when I'm washing it, but just when I'm retwisting it, and how I retain moisture and to my hair. If you guys want to see a more in-depth video, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down in the section down there, and subscribe to all my social media platforms. I'll leave all my contact in the description down bottom of this video. So the next video I want to do is basically the products that I use to wash my hair with. I might take you guys to the grocery store with me, Walmart or Target, and tell you guys some of the best products that I've tried in the past on my locks. Let me know if you're interested in seeing those videos. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Gives it a thumbs up, and as always, stay pretty, stay busy, and until next time.